easy on the filming, okay? Yeah, exactly. Is it filming?
Yeah.
It's filming?
Yeah.
Oh, well done, bro. Okay, now keep it. Yeah. Steady. Can we get a good view of it?
Hold on. I don't think I should hold it.
Do not hold it. Do not do that. Do not. The police cannot protect us from biker gangs. Okay. Okay, now grab the camera. Well done. Oh shit, the one car hit one of the guys. That's what happened, you see that? Just get it, it's fine. He's alright, put it down.
What do you think happened?
I don't know, but that was quite a scene, man.